Meet PWIP Exports, your one-stop app for all your export needs. From tracking your ex-mill prices and historical data for over 85 rice varieties, to easy analysis of ex-im data from the last 3 years, getting OFC rates in just a few seconds, to generating export costing in just 3 clicks. Imagine everything at your fingertips, without multiple phone calls. Simplify your exports and focus on what you do best, closing deals. Sign up now.
Hey guys, welcome back. Here we are with our next video in the series of cooking testing of rice quality. So if you can see, I have taken RNR Parboiled Rice today. Have you ever heard about this variety called RNR? And if you haven't heard this yet, I'm sure you have eaten this in your life, because this is sold in the market as Kolam rice sometimes. Before I leak some of our secrets, let me give you the link below here of our last cooking test video of Kolam raw rice. So now let's get into the cooking testing of RNR parboiled rice in this video. Here we have taken 100 gram sample of parboiled rice and soaked it in water for 20 minutes. The only reason it is soaked is for better cooking quality. Some people soak it, some people don't, and it's on a choice. So here we are using electric cooker cooking method and taking a ratio of 1:3. Normally not everybody uses electric cooker. For example, in a country like Singapore, they use it, but in India we generally use pressure cooker or water boiling and draining method. Till the rice is cooking, let's discuss RNR. RNR is a grown variety in Telangana and Karnataka region, and it's a very good quality of slim grain of 5 mm size. And it's slimmer compared to Sonam Masuri rice from Karnataka. It's said to be similar to rice varieties like BPT or Kolam rice. So right now the rice is cooked. So after cooking, let's check the quality in 3 different steps. First, we will compare the weigh of rice. We will weigh the cooked rice here, and if you have seen, we took 100 grams rice, and right now it is equal to 300 grams of rice after cooking. And this is very essential for buyers who are buying. And then there is a second test which we are taking to compare the length of the rice. You can see the length of the grain is doubled, which was 5 mm and now it's almost 10 mm. And for the third method, we will put some of the cooked rice in water for 30 minutes. This we will do to check if the rice is intact or will it burst after keeping it in water for 30 minutes. Here if you can see, some of the rice grains are bursting and some of them are very much intact. The bursting at the edges means these are not that good quality of the grains, but overall if you check, there is only a minimum quantity of bursting in the rice grains and others are very much intact. So overall the quality of the rice is very good. But if you see more bursting and less firmness, then you should consider the rice for buying. And this is how you check the rice quality. And if you like this video, please share with your trader friends and subscribe our channel. It helps us grow.